Jeff McGovern, the pest coach. I'm thrilled to see this. This box contains a Victorinox hiker, one of the most iconic Swiss brands ever in a pocket knife. But if you'll notice, once we open it up, on the scale, there's another iconic Swiss brand, and that's Birchmeier. Because Birchmeier has made the decision with ITB here in the United States to offer these knives as a very high-end promotional item. This speaks to the quality of both firms that have been around over 100 years, serving folks both at home and at work with fine products that they need to get their jobs done and make their lives easier. To me, this is absolutely awesome to see a promo item as high quality as both firms represent. Absolutely superb, and I wish both of these companies another iconic 100 plus years.